Hello students, question is from DNGT. Here one graph has been given, okay, and based on that graph we have to find out which of the given statement is false, okay. So first I will draw the graph. The graph is this is the given graph. Okay, and the given statements are vertex covering if number is equals to 4, vertex independence number is 2, v1 and v2 is a maximum vertex independence set, and v1 v2 v4 is a vertex covering. Okay, so when you're talking about vertex covering, it is a set of those vertices which will include all the edges, means all the edges will be covered, each and every edge should be covered in that set. Okay, for example, if I am telling that see anything with v6, like if I am talking about v1 v6 v3 v4, okay, so with v1 this two will be covered, with v6 all these things will be covered, because all the edges are incident on v6, right? Then with v4 this will be covered, this will be covered, okay, and then with v3 this will be covered, right? So because this edge is incident, so this will be a vertex cover. So similarly actually there will be 4 vertex covering, fine, but and okay, so that is the vertex cover. Now just check the option D. It is given that v1 comma v2 comma v4 is a vertex cover, right? Vertex covering. So just find out which and all edges are covered by these three set of vertices. Okay, so just name the edges: e1, e2, e3, e4, e5, e6, e7. Okay, e3, e4, e5, let it this be e6, e7, then this should be e8, e9, and this should be e10. Okay, so these are the edges I have named, fine. This one is e4. Okay, now just find out this set is covering which and all edges. So because it is v1, so it will cover e1 and e2, right? E1 and e2 and e3. Now we are taking v2, so v2 will cover e10 and e4, because these and all are incident, right? Now when you're talking about v4 will these are incident, right? e6, e9 and e8, e6, e9, e8, right? These are incident on it, but we are not getting because these threes are incident, so that's why it covers into v4. Now v2, for v2 what we got? e4, e10 and e1, and e1 is already included in v1, okay, and e1, e2, e3. So now which are the remaining edges? e5 is not covered, then e7 not covered, right? So total 10 edges. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 edges are not covered in this particular set of vertex set. Okay, so this cannot be a vertex covering, because I told you in the vertex covering each and every edge should be incident on the particular set. Okay, so this is not a vertex cover, that's why this statement is false. Therefore answer is D. Thank you.